Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of the Mandalorian as it is featured in Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the visor area first. So we're just going to draw one line across. It's got a very cool looking helmet. So from here, we're going to come down on the side just slightly. And now we're going to slant in toward the middle. Just leave a little bit of a space. And then now just right here, just straight down. So it's almost like a little T. Alright, and then from here, we're going to draw in the top. Just right over the line, just draw a little bit wider. And now we're going to draw in the side of the face. So just come down as well, almost to this point. Okay, so it's like a little bracket, little box. Now we'll come back to the inside. We'll slant down. And then now whatever space you have here, just connect that, and that will give us the bottom of the helmet. And then on the inside right here, I'm just going to add one line. We'll just close that off. Okay, so let's finish up the top, and we'll come in and draw in those cool little details. Right, so right here we're just going to draw one big dome shape. Pretty much like a half circle. And then in the middle, we can add in some detail. Just two lines straight down. And then on the side here, we're going to draw in the little earpiece. Just a long bracket. So these are very easy to draw. Okay, so now let's add in the details. So right around here, right below this area, I'm just going to make a little point right here. And then from this point, we're going to connect to this corner. So just draw one curve. Try to draw the same thing on the other side. Okay, and then from here, you can come over here, you can make a little point inside right here. And then now from this point, connect to the top. And then we're going to draw one more curve again, connecting to the same point. And then from this corner to that corner. So this part's a little bit tricky. Hopefully it's not too bad, but it's a really cool design on the helmet. That's why we kind of have to draw that. Okay, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So the body is a lot simpler. Around the corner right here, we're just gonna go out. So this is gonna be the shoulder and also the cape. And then from here, we're gonna pinch it in. We'll come across first. So this will be the chest area. And now for the rest of the body, we're just gonna pinch it in slightly, close it off. And for the belt right below it, I'm just gonna add a rectangle. So this part's simple. And then for the belt buckle, let's just go ahead and add in two lines right here. All right, and then for the top right here, for the little cape, it kind of wraps around. I'm gonna add in some curves right here. Just to give it some flow. And then in here, I'm gonna add one more as well. Okay, or you can add in shorter lines right here. Make it look like crease. Even in here. Okay, and then let's see. Let's go ahead and finish up the inside since it's pretty simple right here. So from this corner, start right around here. I'm just gonna draw in the strap. Just come across, and then just draw one more. So just one strap across, and then it's got some shells. So just add a few lines. And then one more detail on the body for the plating, for the armor. I'm gonna curve all the way around, just pretty much a bow shape, but it's gonna be behind this, this little strap right here. Okay, so that's the torso, and now let's work in the arms. Let's start on this side. Let's see, it's got those really large shoulder pads right here. The armpit's gonna be right around here. I'll make a little mark. I'm gonna start up here in the corner. Let's come down, go out 90 degrees, and then just kind of round this off. So this is going to be one of the armors. And then right here from the armpit, come down, close it off. So that's going to be the elbow. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So again, here's the armpit. And this side, the armor is slightly different. I'm going to start in the corner, come straight down, and then go out. And then curve. So this one's slightly smaller. Same thing here for the bicep. Just come down, and then close it off. All right, and then now for the lower arm, I'm going to extend this. Come down, pinch it in, and then close it off flat. So same thing here, come down, extend this line, pinch it in, again, close it off flat. All right, and then for the fist, we'll keep it simple. Just one little curve for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. So come straight down, and then I'm gonna round it out. Just kind of come down and then hook it back up. And then start right here. Just draw a little curve, connect to this. Okay, so same thing here, just opposite. One little hook. Back of the fist. Again, round down and then come back up. Start right here for the other fingers and just kind of draw another curve. Alright, so that's the upper body, and now let's draw on the legs. So for the legs, right in the middle right here, let's draw one little line, and then I'll start on the outside. Just kind of flare out. And then now, same slant as this, just kind of bulge it out this way. That's going to give us the thighs, and then we'll close it off with a slant. So the knee's going to be right here. All right, so we'll continue down and we'll come back up here and draw in the cool looking armor. So right here, come all the way down. Come down, stop a little bit short. From here, you can draw in a curve. Just connect to that first. That's going to be the foot. And then on this side, we'll extend the dome shape going out and then close it off. And let's go ahead and add in one section right here, one rectangle for the sole. All right, so same thing here. Come all the way down here. You can use the other side for reference, right? So you know when to stop. Again, dome shape, almost like a half circle or a quarter of a circle. And then now this side's gonna go out, close it off, and then same thing here. All right, so now let's draw in the cool looking armor here. Let's start right here, right at the thigh area. On this side, just one curve. And then on this side, we're gonna start in here. We'll slant up, and then this one's gonna go straight across. And we're adding a little bit detail right here, just two lines. And then up here, right underneath the belt, we'll slant down, and these are the smaller details, and just come across. And let's add a little bit more. It's got some armor on the side right here. All right, and then we can add some more detail since these are pretty simple. Adding two lines here, and looks like it's got some shells here as well. So I'm gonna add in two circles. And then on the bottom right here, make this part into one rectangle. I'm gonna add in two lines. Looks like it's got some more shells right here as well. And then for the little strap, just two lines across. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the details. Now let's draw in the cape. So the cape is going to be all the way down here, and we can actually draw in the middle section first. So I'm just going to draw like a little wavy line across. Okay, and then just try to envision that behind the legs. Go back up, and then we're gonna slant toward here. So we just go up right behind the fist. And then for this side, same thing here, we'll continue on. And maybe we can see a little bit more on this side. So we'll just go up, again, toward this point here. And then we can add in some lines just to give it some flow. All right, and then lastly, let's add in the awesome sniper's rifle here. So it's gonna come out right from the shoulder. Just draw 2 lines slanting this way. And now we're gonna draw a couple of curves. This one's gonna be bigger, so we're gonna curve up. And then this one's gonna be slightly smaller. And now whatever space you have here, just one smooth curve all the way around. And that is it for this version of the Mandalorian. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.